Hey everyone, I welcome you all to this session. And in this video, we are going to discuss about internship opportunity for data analyst. I will provide this link in the description box below. Once you open this page, then you can just simply click here on career section. And if I'll scroll down, then you can see this internships at PRS section. Just expand it. And then you can read about PRS India and what do they do. You can read about it. You can read about the structure of the internship as well. And it's written that the duration of the internship is flexible, but it's normally between 4 and 8 weeks. So interns are expected to report to office for the internship. And please note that no accommodation or remuneration is provided. This is strictly an unpaid internship, right? So that's the thing. These are the important details that you can go through. And the successful completion of the PRS internship requires intern to pursue and complete an internship project. The intern will be assisting analyst outreach team members in their work as well as undertaking an internship project. So these are some of the important details. You can further read each and every point. There are some other important points that I'm basically going to cover in this video, and then you can read all of the details as well, right? So that's the thing. In case if you want to apply, then you can apply. And what all are the expectations? So all that is mentioned here. So there are different positions, but since we are talking about internship position for data analyst, so we will discuss about data interns position. So if you know Microsoft Excel, Google Sheets, and one or more programming languages from these languages, then you can apply. And apart from that, the second point is that if you have exposure or prior experience in data scraping, wrangling, pre-processing analysis, and visualization work, maybe ML techniques as well. So that these two things are basically required, right? So that's the thing. Even if you know Microsoft Excel and Python, that is also fine. You should at least apply for this role, right? That's the thing. Now, the point is that it will be required to provide some other information as well. That is, you are required to provide a short statement of purpose that has to be not more than 500 words. You have to upload an up-to-date resume in PDF format. And then you are required to provide the portfolio as well, right? This policy issue and writing sample, I think it is written with respect to some other role, but you will be required to provide a portfolio, right? Like for data analyst position, we create portfolios where we have the sample projects that we have done, right? So you can create a portfolio, and in place of this you can provide that. Now let's talk about the application form where you have to provide all these details. But before that, there is one more important thing that we should discuss. Applications for the month of Feb will not be accepted after 20th January 2024, right? So if you want to apply for the internship, let's say in Feb month, so in that case, after 20th January, you will not be eligible to apply. So in case if you are, let's say, applying for this internship position after 20th January, so then the month in which you want to complete the internship, that will have to be the months after Feb, right? But not Feb. So that's the thing. If I will open their application form, so let's discuss about that. That's the important thing. It may take some time to open. All right. So here you have to provide all your details, your first name, last name, your email address, phone number. Please enter your mobile number, prefix the mobile number with its country code if it does not belong to India. Please do not use plus or minus or space in the mobile number. So read the instructions and accordingly provide your contact details. Alternate contact number, you have to provide your alternate contact details as well. Please do not use plus, minus, or space in the number. So that's the thing. You have to go through the instructions, and then you have to provide all the relevant details. Citizenship details you can provide, academic discipline you can provide, then year of study. So even if you are in first, second, third year, you can at least apply for this position if you want to. Then name of the institution in which you are studying or you've completed your graduation from, city and state. Then in this internship profiles, you can select data/programming, period of the internship. Here it is written that the internship period may be extended beyond 1 month on case by case basis. That's the thing. You have to provide the dates from and to dates according to your availability. So you can fill these two sections as well. Then you have to provide your resume in the PDF format. We already discussed about it. Apart from that, you will have to write a statement of purpose, that why you are a right fit for this role. So you can do that as well. And if you have created a portfolio, this is a mandatory field. So for data profile, you can upload your portfolio here, right? And how you heard about this internship, you can just mention, specify, and then you have to fill the declaration and submit. Now let's discuss about this statement of purpose, right? For this statement of purpose, you can read more about them on Wikipedia. I'll provide this link as well in the description box below. So there are some details provided about PRS, so it may help you to draft your response. So you can just go through it. You can also read more about them on their website itself. Here they have another section, what do we do? You can just open it, you can go through it, and then accordingly you can frame your response. They have a YouTube channel as well. You can visit their YouTube channel as well if you want to know about them. All right, so that's the thing. All right, so this is the information that has to be provided in the internship application form. I've discussed about the important information, important points. There are other points as well. You can go through the form, you can go through each and every detail, and then accordingly, if you want to, then you can apply. Right, so I hope this video was helpful. We'll meet in the next session. Till then, thank you. Bye bye.